It's party time. Let's get drunk, guys.
Everyone's experienced a drunken night once in their lifetime. Are there different types of drunk? And what actually happens when you get drunk? Well, let's find out 4 phases of being drunk. First, we have buzzed. Everything around you seems to get louder. The girls or boys dancing next to you become more attractive. Then, we have tipsy. At this stage, you no longer walk, you stumble your way to places and you'll find a potential hookup. After that, you'll get to hammered. At this stage, any coordination between thoughts and bodily functions become impossible. You have to urinate all the time. This is the point of no return. You have to drink till you black out. At this point, you'll do things like hooking up with an unattractive girl, injure yourself, or even being arrested by a cop. Usually, you'll end up in one of these 3 places: the hospital, a jail cell, or the toilet bowl with your face in it. Be honest, have you experienced all of these stages? So, what actually happens when you get drunk? In fact, you can get drunk by many different chemicals. However, the most common one will be ethanol. Ethanol can be easily dissolved in your bloodstream and carried to different parts of your body. The most affected parts will be your liver and your brain. Ethanol will slow down your brain by binding 2 kinds of receptors, those for GABA and NMDA. GABA interferes with your behavior. When the ethanol meets with GABA, your brain will receive the message that tells your body to feel relaxed and loosen up, like in the buzzed phase. Moreover, ethanol blocks NMDA receptors, which makes you feel exhausted and can inhibit your memory. That's why you get blacked out. Ethanol also makes your brain release the stimulants norepinephrine, adrenaline, and cortisol. Those are the ingredients that boost your vibe up. Your brain will get more oxygen, which enhances your senses. You'll be more likely to be drawn to sounds and lights. At the same time, your brain will also receive dopamine. That's a chemical that tells you that you're having the best time of your life. Remember the buzzed phase? The intake of ethanol can prevent your brain from getting the energy to work properly, and that impairs your thought process. That's why you make bad decisions in the blackout phase. Further, ethanol can interfere with the part of the brain in charge of muscle movement. That's why you stumble to places like in the tipsy phase. Ethanol can even mess with your body temperature regulator, making you feel warmer. You can feel warm even if it's freezing below 0 outside. All of these stimulated effects, norepinephrine, adrenaline, and cortisol, will eventually wear off. But remember, the effects of GABA and NMDA have been building when you started drinking. You'll be left weary, forgetful, or you can even call it a hangover. When you begin to sober up, you're feeling tired and have a blurry memory about last night. But alcohol can have a different effect on different people, since we all have our own limits. You need to be mindful about how many drinks you can take before you're getting to the blackout phase. Well, there's no exact way to find out, so you just have to do your own experiments. There are some tips to help you. Having a full stomach before drinking is a good idea because it will slow down the ethanol absorption through your stomach walls. Fatty food like fries can slow down the absorption process as well because it takes a long time for your stomach to digest them. Avoid drinking alcohol with sugary mixes like soda or cranberry juice. Now you know how alcohol can affect your brain. Next time when you go out for a drink, let's examine all the facts that you've learned today and be safe. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the video in the comments box below and suggest the topic you want the monsters to discover next.